Hey, my people. See, I want to talk something. I entered my YouTube this morning. I saw one little girl on the street, and the girl was crying. And one lady was interviewing the girl. The girl was shouting that they asked him to go out of the school just because of school fees. And how much was the school fees? That little girl was saying 15,000 naira for the little girl. Is it because of the 15,000 naira that they asked the girl to go out of the school? Imagine. Niger Delta, for that matter, worry precisely. Though I like the girl was very sharp. It was very sharp. And now the girl was exposed, and the people, all these MC like AY, Jimike, many of them was interested for the little girl. Why? Do you want to tell me that there was no any poor girl around them, and everybody was interested now to pay the girl school fees? I heard AY was calling the girl mama. Say, mama no cry. Say, na me go take care of the girl. Say, I go even pay the girl, give the girl scholarship. Because of what? AY, you want to tell me, say, they are pay where they stay. No people around there. You know if you help them? Sure? Why do they behave like this, eh? I don't understand this kind of country where we dey. I don't understand. We have to be wise. So AY was seeing what the girl is up to, and they want to use the girl to make money. And the parents of the girl don't know what AY is looking for. It's not a matter of to pay the school fees, it's what you want to gain from the girl. No, it's painful. AY and so rest of them. Go and look around your place. You see many poor people that have out of the school for all over time. Do you want to tell me that those people, they don't need help from you? You understand? I can't understand our country. I can't understand them. So anybody who just rise up, you want to use the person for the money. It's not good. It's not good. We have to buckle up. If you want to help people naturally, you look around you. I know you have made the money. Maybe you want to invest on somebody, a human being. Then look around you there. There are a lot of poor masses around you. Go and help them, and not this little girl. Then I put it in a government of a Delta state. That imagine a whole Delta state, the Niger Delta precisely, the people that own oil cannot even give school fees for the poor people. It's shameful. It's shameful. And this is more reason why people are agitating to go out of this Nigeria. It's not good. Understand? Look at what this little girl has brought to a whole Delta state. An insult. And the governor of a Delta state have seen this girl. Imagine. And look at this girl. I was very, very annoyed. It was annoyed. I don't know what to talk about, but my anger was channeled to all these people that are so much interested in this girl. They want to make money from this girl. They want to gain from this girl. It's not good. Look around you. If you want to help poor people, look around you, help them. Don't use this girl to make money. No. Let us be wise. If I was opportunity to get the phone number of this what is it called? The success mother, I would have called her and tell her what she's supposed to do about her daughter. You understand? Because the success is coming to something else. And you know, our Nigeria, we are so much wise, and we are fast enough to gain from parents. So what I'm saying in essence is this: AY, Jimike, and so what you call yourself, please look around you. If you want to invest on human being, go and help those people. Okay, go and help them. Stop deceiving the Nigerians and stop deceiving people. You understand? I'm not against anybody I want, but look around you first and help those people, not this girl that exposed herself. You understand? If you want to greet the person that interviewed the people, the girl, not the girl himself. You understand? So this is where I want to stop. And if you like, you hear me, but I want to tell you that once you hear this video, you have to subscribe to this channel. You understand? These are something that we have to fish out. These are the things we have to say out. You don't need to hide your feelings. Expose your mind. Nobody is going to do anything. Okay? Expose your mind. This is an insult to a great nation like Nigeria. particularly a Delta state as a Niger Delta and a Oyo state precisely. It's not good. It's not good. If I have an opportunity to talk to the governor, I'll go directly to the governor, because governor is supposed to is supposed to be shameful about this thing that happened to Warri. You understand? Though I'm not from there, but it baffs me a lot. It baffs me a lot. I'm not happy about it. I was not happy when I saw the girl. Okay? Please, this is where I want to drop my talk. I will come again, because this talk will continue and I will have to be serious about it. Anywhere you see bad thing, you have to say it out. Okay? Thank you for everybody that are watching this video. Thank you for people that are around me. And thank you for people that are supporting this program. Subscribe to Obere channel, YouTube. Okay? By next time, we'll try to talk about another thing. But our interest and our motive for opening this YouTube is to fish out and to talk a good thing about our people. Thank you so much. Yeah.